I've been getting rape threats, death threats since I was 18. So I have grown a thick skin. It just never happened at that volume.
How do you look back at that time, at the way you handled the whole thing?
I am really, really, really happy that it happened to me. Like, I'm so grateful that it happened to me because it just made me realize that internet is not your reality. It's a digital world. You don't live there. These people don't matter. Nothing matters. Whatever you think about yourself, that is what matters. And it took me so much courage to get back out there. And I'm really glad that it happened because it just completely helped me detach from whatever people are saying about me, because I was in this constant loop of constantly checking Reddit and my comments and what people are saying about me and the roast videos that they're making on me. And now I don't care. I really, really, really don't care. And I'm glad that it happened to me because किसी और के साथ होता तो वो नहीं सह पाते. So I really killed with that.
The rape threats and the threats that your family got and all
Yeah.
of that. It's a scary situation to be in, Apurva.
Yeah.
How do you come out of that? What were you doing at that time to keep your mental health?
Yeah, but I've been getting rape threats, death threats since I was 18. So I have grown a thick skin. It just never happened at that volume. So it was a little jarring. I don't think I did anything for my mental health. I don't think जब आपके साथ बुरा हो रहा होता है तब आप कुछ कर सकते हो अपनी mental health के लिए. You really have to get out of it and then heal. If somebody is constantly stabbing you, you can't fix your wounds, right? You have to come out of it and then do the work. So I think even the video that I posted, and I got a lot of comments on that also कि मैं ये सब सिर्फ sympathy लेने के लिए कर रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ. That's how you tell the story. You have to make the audience feel what you're feeling. You can't do it with a straight face, otherwise it has no impact.
And you took charge of your story. Why not?
Yeah, and so that video was sort of, it was for myself. And I was like, once in 10 years when I look back at what I did, I should be proud of what I did. I don't want to be like, sorry guys, I'm back. I did not want to do that. The 5 years that I've been on internet, I'm constantly just doing things for validation, and that felt like the start of something new where I was like, I don't care. I really don't, it's a battle that I've lost.
पर मम्मी पापा तो बहुत डरे हुए होंगे यार.
Of course, yeah. For them, this world is also so new because everybody in my family does a 9 to 5. मतलब किसी को इतना भी risk taking नहीं है कि वो business कर रहे हो. So it just felt so new and so jarring to them, and they had always been very cautious of this space. They always told me that it's a bad space to be in. So it was like all of their worst nightmares coming true. But they're strong people, yeah. They're very strong people.